Quickly, let me bring in my guest for this hour. Joining me, criminal defense attorney and former prosecutor is with me, David Bruno, and also civil litigation trial attorney Rich Schoenstein is with me as well. Gentlemen, thank you so much for being on the show. Rich, I'll start with you. I want to get your reaction to the decision by the U.S. attorney not to seek any charges in this case. It certainly seems curious.
Yeah, it does seem a little curious. I'm inclined to stand with Shanquella Robinson as well, because I found her to be very impressive, and I'd like to have someone like that in my corner fighting for me the way she is. It's hard to say. We don't know what the U.S. Attorney's Office knows about the evidence, about the facts. I think it's a case they would have wanted to prosecute if they felt like they had the evidence and can do it. But it is sort of, I do question it too, Michael, because we see that videotape. It looks like there's a pretty clear story about what happened, so I'm not sure what went wrong here.
Yeah, David Bruno, it certainly feels like there's more going on here than meets the eye, because what meets the eye is that video, and there's an assault on that video. I don't care what anybody tells me, and something went wrong here. Someone is dead. Your thoughts on this one?
My thoughts are that, look, these charges have been brought in the Mexican jurisdiction, and that's where that act did occur. Okay, so the United States Attorney and any prosecutor's office, for that matter, they can't just be worldwide enforcers and getting into all of the various different crimes that happen all across the world. I do understand that there's a U.S. contact being the individuals, but the real step right now, like the attorney said, is for the U.S. to assist in the extradition of this individual who is now in the boundaries of the United States and is being sought for the murder charges in Mexico. Mexican authorities have a charge against her, and the extradition would require the United States, under treaties and agreements, to be transported to Mexico for her prosecution. And that is why I'm sure the United States Attorney has found that they don't have federal crimes to prosecute.
All right, fair enough. That might have been my thought as well. So the fight now turns to Mexico, and hopefully they can get the woman who's charged there extradited there. We'll keep an eye on that one. All right, gentlemen, stand by. It's time for a break. After just over